Welcome to my channel, Luxury Car001. Today, we're diving into one of the most outrageous, powerful, and exclusive off-road vehicles ever built, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG 6x6. If you thought the regular G-Wagon was impressive, get ready for something on a whole new level. This six-wheeled beast is a combination of military-grade toughness, cutting-edge luxury, and extreme performance, making it one of the most desirable high-end off-roaders in the world. The first thing that grabs your attention is its sheer size. The 6x6 is significantly longer, wider, and taller than the standard G63, giving it a dominant road presence. With 6 massive all-terrain tires, portal axles, and an aggressive stance, it looks ready to conquer any terrain you throw at it. The front grille features the signature AMG Panamericana design with bold chrome slats, LED headlights, and a massive bumper that screams power. Under the hood, the 2026 G63 AMG 6x6 is powered by a hand-built 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, pushing out an incredible 800 horsepower and over 1,000 Newton-meters of torque. This immense power is sent to all 6 wheels via a reinforced 9-speed automatic transmission, ensuring that this monster can handle anything from sand dunes to rocky mountain trails with ease. Mercedes has fine-tuned the suspension for better off-road performance, with adaptive damping and a fully independent setup that allows each wheel to react to terrain changes dynamically. One of the most impressive features of the G63 AMG 6x6 is its advanced all-wheel drive system. It comes with multiple locking differentials and a unique low-range mode, making it nearly unstoppable in extreme off-road conditions. Whether you're climbing steep inclines, wading through deep water, or navigating through snow, this vehicle can handle it all effortlessly. The ground clearance has been significantly increased, thanks to its portal axles, which allow the differentials to sit higher than the wheels, giving it superior off-road capability. Step inside, and you're greeted with the ultimate blend of luxury and ruggedness. The cabin is adorned with the finest leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber trims. The seats are fully adjustable, heated, and ventilated, offering supreme comfort even on the roughest terrain. The latest MBUX infotainment system is present, featuring a massive touchscreen display, voice control, and seamless connectivity with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A premium Burmester surround sound system ensures that your favorite music sounds crystal clear, no matter where you are. Despite its off-road focus, the 2026 G63 AMG 6x6 doesn't compromise on safety and technology. It comes equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system, making it surprisingly easy to maneuver for its size. The air suspension system automatically adjusts based on driving conditions, ensuring a smooth and stable ride, whether you're on the highway or tackling rough terrain. Only a limited number of these beasts will be produced, making it an ultra-exclusive vehicle. With a price tag well above the standard G63, the 6x6 is reserved for the elite who demand both extreme performance and unmatched luxury. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast, a collector, or someone who simply loves making a statement, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG 6x6 is the ultimate choice. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Luxury Car001 for more exclusive content. See you in the next video.